Hi, hello friends. This is Dinesh Reddy. You are watching Dinesh Programming Channel. And now today we'll discuss about the radio button and what is a radio button. Radio button is a multiple choice button, which means we can select multiple times, but the user can select only one for the one time. And then here you can see that to implement this function, each group of the radio button must be associated with same variable. It means that if we want the output, if we press one button means it will give some value. That value will be a string or variable, and all that inputs will be same. That is they are saying. And then each one of the button must symbolize a single value, and we can use tab key to change. If you go and press on the another button means it will change the button. And here you can see that for all technical fields, the first letter should be capital, then we can use that button, radio button. And then as you know, master and option. Now we will see the simple, without using, we will use some simple variable in the Python program. And now here you can see the option and description. Here you can see the test variable, that is test variable means we need to give any value, that is int or string and all. Int value, string value and all. Here to define a string value like this, here you can define, that is S should be capital, string var, V should be capital. And if you want to define int where I should be capital and int, V should be capital var. And then now here you can see text variable, that is it will display the text displayed in a label widget. Here we can use the label widget and all. And then here value means we need to give some value to that variable which we have saved as int. If we save it as a string var means we need to give this command as test variable. Okay, and we will see with this as a simple Python program in the Python. Now let's go. And now here you can see I have imported the thickener as the star, and then here I have defined a function f. Here inside the f I have used a variable s, that is you have selected the option dot string of v dot get. Here v means here we have defined one function v, one variable v as the int var, that should be get here. And as you know that about the get value in the last check button and all. And then here I have used label dot configure, means it will paste this value, that is yes. And then now here you can see r equal to tk and v equal to int var. Here I have defined the variable v as the int variable, and then I have defined the r1, r2 and r3. Here r1 and r2 and r3 are the radio buttons. Here I have given the first text as the option 1, and second as option 2 and third as option 3. And here I have called that what variable we are using, that is v variable we are using. And then the value, here if we are using a string dot string var means here we need to type as text variable. And now here I have used the command f to print these values. And then we packed all the r1, r2 and r3. And then here label, here we have defined one function is equal to capital label of r, means thickener label function. And then we have packed that value variable, we have take it as a variable and then pack and close the loop, order main loop. And now we'll run the program and see the output. Here you can see option 1, option 2 and option 3. Here we will not get the label that option Here the output will be coming out of when we select option 1. It will shows you have selected the option 1. When we press option 2, it shows option 2 and option 3. Now we will see the basics of the deselect and all methods of the radio button. Now here you can see deselect, flash, invoke, select, and these things are I have used in the check button. If you want, you can watch it in the icons I will give. Now I will not showing these things. Deselect, flash, and select. These are all same for invoke, also same for the check button. So I don't want to explain you again. If you want, I will give you here. And this is Dinesh Reddy signing out with Dinesh Programming. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dinesh Programming channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye.